Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to see the location report in Google Ads. So for this you have to go to the start button, then simply type in the Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use, and after that you have to just simply type in Google Ads in the search bar and then click on enter. After that you have to just simply choose the first website from here, and here you have to just simply click on sign in or the start now button from here, and once you click on the sign in or the start now button, it will simply take you to the overview page, and from here you have to just simply click on the campaigns. And when you click on the campaigns, you have to just simply choose the assets option from here. You have to expand it, then you have to just simply click on the audience, keywords and content from here, and once you click on the audience, keyword and contents, you have to just simply go to the keywords option from here. And once you go to the keywords option, you have to just simply, here you can see that here you will get the option of location. You have to just simply click on the location option from here, and once you click on the location option, it will simply take you to this page, and here you can see there are lots of location. The targeted location is set to United States, the United Kingdom again, and you can just simply edit them by clicking on the pen icon from here. And if you click on it, here you will get the option of select a campaign, and you can just get select a campaign that you would like to track the location. So if you click on the select a campaign, and after that you will get all the targeted location like this, and you can also edit it accordingly. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.